Hello, my name is Christopher. In this video presentation, the subject is IT spend analysis. The source material content originates from Microsoft Power BI blog article by Michelle Hart. The IT spend analysis dashboard, report and dataset analyzes the planned versus actual costs of an IT department. This comparison helps me to understand how well the company planned for the year and investigate areas with huge deviations from the plan. The company in this example goes through a yearly planning cycle, and then quarterly it produces a new latest estimate to help analyze changes in IT spend over the fiscal year. This sample is part of a series that illustrates how you can use Power BI with business-oriented data, reports and dashboards. This is real data from Variance that has been anonymized. I'll begin by showing you the IT spend analysis sample dashboard. The two number tiles on the dashboard, the variance plan percentage and variance latest estimate percentage quarter 3, give me an overview of how well the company is doing against plan and against the latest 3-quarter estimate. Overall, I see the company is about 6% off the plan. Let's explore the cause of this variance, when, where and which category. We'll start by looking at year-to-date IT spend trend analysis page. Selecting the variance plan percentage by sales region dashboard tile takes me to the IT spend trend analysis page of the IT spend analysis sample report. I see at a glance that the company has a positive variance in the US and Europe and negative variance in Canada, Latin America and Australia. The US had a positive 6% latest estimate variance, and Australia has about 7% latest estimate variance. But just looking at this chart and drawing conclusions can be misleading. I need to look at actual dollar amounts to put things in perspective. 1. I'll select Australia and New Zealand in the variance plan percentage by sales region chart and observe variance plan by IT area chart. 2. I'll now select USA. I get the idea Australia is a really small part of the company's overall spend when compared to the US. So I'll narrow it down to the USA. Now what? I'll begin by exploring which category in the USA is causing the variance. 1. I'll select Power BI in the top navigation bar to return to the dashboard. 2. In the question box, I type Show IT Areas Variance Plan Percentage and Variance Latest Estimate 3% bar chart. In the first IT area, Infrastructure, the percentage has changed drastically between the initial variance plan and the variance plan latest estimates. Let's review the year-to-date spend by cost elements page. I go back to the dashboard and look at the variance plan percentage, variance latest estimate 3% dashboard tile. Infrastructure jumps out with a huge positive variance to plan. 1. I'll click this tile to go to the year-to-date spend by cost elements page of the IT spend analysis sample report. 2. I'll click the infrastructure bar in the variance plan percentage and variance latest estimate 3% by IT area chart in the lower left and observe the variance to plan in the variance plan percentage by sales region to the left. 3. I'll click the name of each cost element group in the slicer to find the cost element with a large variance. 4. With other selected, I'll click Infrastructure in the IT area and click the sub-areas in the IT sub-area slicer to find the sub-area with the largest variance. I see huge variance in networking. Apparently the company decided to give its employees phone services as a benefit, but this move was not planned for. Let's take a look at Plan Variance Analysis page. Still in the report, I click the Plan Variance Analysis tab on the bottom of the report to go to page 3 of the dashboard. In the Variance Plan and Variance Plan Percentage by Business Area combo chart on the left, I click the Infrastructure column to highlight infrastructure values in the rest of the page. Notice on the Variance Plan Percentage by Month and Business Area charts that infrastructure started to have a positive variance around February, and then it keeps increasing. Also, notice how the variance to plan value for infrastructure varies by country compared to the value for all business areas. I use the IT area and IT sub-area slicers on the right to filter the values in the rest of the page rather than highlighting them. I click the different IT areas on the right to explore the data in another way. As you can see, if I click IT sub-areas, I view the variance at that level. Thank you for viewing this video. Hopefully the presentation intrigued you enough to want to read Michelle Hart's article in full. This video presentation can only, at the very best, give you an overview, so why not explore the data for yourself? Have a fabulous day.